Give your students authentic, hands-on practice inserting urethral catheters and practicing peri-care with the most lifelike genitalia models on the market. Realityworks catheterization trainers don't just look and feel real, they feature accurate urine flashback, pliable skin, and lifelike resistance during the catheterization procedure. The male genitalia features a removable foreskin, while the female genitalia allows for the spreading of folded skin for a more realistic cleaning experience. Realityworks catheterization trainers also include the Fast Fluid Management System, a one-of-a-kind tool that makes procedure preparation and cleanup quick and easy. Realityworks offers catheterization training tools for any budget, including a female-male catheterization trainer on a stand, vinyl female-male catheterization models in a torso, and a transparent female-male catheterization simulator. The included curriculum focuses on inserting straight and indwelling urinary catheters and developing patient care skills.